today's class. Let's see today's date and date. So today's date is 4th October 2021 and the day is Monday. Okay. Why grade 5 not sending the homework? I didn't get homework from 2 days. Why? I should get homework today. Okay. So everyone please open your mathematics textbook and workbook with you. Yes, everyone has opened. Yes, in the textbook, open page number 61. Yes, I will give you 1 minute time. Everyone take out your textbook. In that textbook, open page number 61. Open page number 61. Yes, everyone has opened, right? Yes. So, in the previous class, we learned, what we learned? We learned division. Yes, we started the new chapter and the chapter name is division, and we learned how to divide using single digit and 2 digit, and even we learned how to identify that whether the division which we have done is correct or wrong. Yes, no? Yes. Today in this class we are going to learn a new topic, and that topic name is rules of divisibility. So what is today's topic? Rules of divisibility. What is this rules of divisibility? Yes, tell me. This divisibility rules helps us to find the numbers that divide a given number exactly. Yes, this rule helps us, if a dividend is given, we can easily find out which divisor we can take to divide it and get the answer. So this rule is very useful in division. Shall we see the rules each by number wise? Yes. The first number is, the divisor is 2. For 2, what is the rule is, the ones digit of the given number must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is the condition for the 2? Ones digit. Yes, the number in the ones digit, must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, the number in the ones digit, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then means it is divisible by number 2. For example, 10, 42, 36, 8. See, here the number in the one space is 0. That means it is divisible by 2. You have to think like that. That is the rule of number 2. So here it is 2. The number in the one space is 2. See, here in the condition 2 also. So it is divisible by, this complete 42 number is divisible by 2. See here, in the one space it is 6. That is 36 is divisible by 2. And the number here is 8. 8 means it is divisible by 2. Okay. So this is the rule for number 2. The divisor 2. Next 3. The sum of the rule for number 3 is the sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 9. Divisible by 3. Yes, see the sum of the digits. See the number. See, for example, 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, right? That's 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. See, 3 threes are 9. That means it is divisible by 3. See, for example, 48. See this 48. 4 plus 8 is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 numbers are 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. This is the rule for divisor 3. And the next number is 4. And the rule for the number 4 is the number formed by the last 2 last two digits of the given number must be divisible by, of the given number must be divisible by 4 or both the digits must be 0. Excuse me. So what is the condition for rule for 4? The number formed by the last two digits of the given number must be divisible by 4 or that two numbers should be 0. That is, for example, see here. For example, 1400 3364 and 2500. Can you see here? The first units place and tens place number must be 0. If it is two numbers, if it is 0, that means it is divisible by 4. Or the numbers in the ones place and tens place, 6 and 4. It is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. So 4 almost is 64, students. Yes, tell me 4 almost is 64. It is 4 16s are 64. So it is divisible by 4. So if it is like, if it is divisible by, the condition is, if the number is divisible by 4 or here the number, two numbers is 0 means that is divisible by 4. Okay. Then the next number 4. That is number 5. The ones digit of the given number, the ones digit of the given number must be 0 or 5. Yes, the number in the ones place must be 0 or 5. That time it is divisible by 5. For example, 25, 105, 200. See, here the number in the ones place is 5, 5 and 0. So it is divisible by 5. Then next is 6. The number must be divisible by, the number must be divisible by 2 or 3. Yes, if the number, given number is divisible by 2 or 3, that means the given number is divisible by 6. Example, 36, 480, 100. See, this given number is divisible by 3 and this 480 is divisible by 2 and this 100 is divisible by 2. That means its divisor is 6. Then the next number is 9. The sum of the digits of the given number, the sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 9. Yes, the sum of here, the sum of the digits of the given number must be divisible by 3. Here if the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9, that means the divisor is 9. Example, 144. See, if you add this 144, 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 9. So if you add all these three numbers, you get 9. Yes, 9 numbers are 9, 9 ones are 9. So the divisor is 9 only. Yes, next 7th number is 10. The condition for 10 is the number, the ones digit of the given number must be 0. Yes, the condition for 10 is that ones digit of the given number must be 0. Then only its divisor is 10. Example, 10, 150, 400. See, the number in the ones place is 0. So the divisor, it is divisor problems. Shall we solve one problem? Yes, we will solve few problems regarding this topic. So, be thorough with this rule, students. It is very important. If you want, you can write it once in the notebook. Okay. See the problem here. The page number 61, example 5. Which of the numbers 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 10 divide 4, 2, 6, 7, 0. See, the given number is 42,670. So you have to check among those 7 numbers which number can we divide this number. So first number is 2. Can we divide this number by 2? Yes. What is the condition for 2? The given number. Yes, the number in the ones place is 0. So you can divide it by 2. So you can divide by 2. Can you divide it by 3? Yes, what is the condition for 3? For 2 you can do. Yes. For 3, what is the condition? Sum of all the numbers should be divisible by 3. That is 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 0. So what is the answer? 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19, 19 plus 0 is 19. Is 19 divisible by 3? No. So this condition is false. Next, number 4. So what is the condition for number 4? The number found by the last 2 digits must be divisible by 4 or it should be 2 zeros. See, the last 2 numbers is 70. So 70 should be divisible by 4. Can you divide 70 by 4? No. So 4 is also not used to divide. So this also no. 3 also no. Next number is 5. Can we divide the given number by 5? Yes, we can. Why? Because the number in the ones place is 0. Yes, 5 you can divide. Then 6. Can you divide the number by 6? What is the condition for 6? If the given number is divisible by 2 or 3, then the condition is 6. By using 6 we can divide. See, 4. Can you divide? No, it is not possible. You can divide and find. Okay. Then the next number is 9. See, for 9 what you have to do? You have to add and check whether it is divisible by 9 or what. So what you will get to add when you add it? You will get 19. Is 19 divisible by 9? No, you cannot divide the given number by 9 also. Next, 10. Can you divide the given number by 10? Yes. Why? Because the number in the ones place is 0. So how many numbers we can use to divide this given number? It is 2, 5 and 10. Only these 3 numbers can be used to divide the given number. Got it? This is how we should find this given number is divisible by which number or not. Got it, students? Yes. So next we will solve some problems. Okay. See this example 7. In the page number 62. Everyone please see example 7. I will read out the question for you. Yes. The question is, in a nursery there are 4,056 plants. How many can be planted in each row? If there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10 rows. Will some plants be left over in any of the arrangements? Yes. So what is the question, students? There are, example 7, 4,056 by 4. 4 we can use. Divide the given number by 4 also. And then can you divide by 5? No. Why? Because the number in the ones place is 6. So you can't divide by 5. Can you divide by 6? Can you divide by 6? Yes, you can divide by 6 also. How? Why? Because see, if it is divisible by 2 means it is also divisible by 6 also. The condition for the number 6 is, you know, right? If the given number is divisible by 2 or 3, then you can divide the given number by 6. Yes, no? Yes, can you divide the given number by 9? No. Can you divide the given number by 10? No. So, since 4056 is not exactly divisible by 5, 9 and 10, some plants remain if they are arranged in 5, 9 or 10. Yes, see, you can only arrange the plants in 2, 3, 4, 6 rows. Yes, no? So, this is how we solve the problems. Enough now? Yes, today this is enough. Today also I am giving less homework. You have to do it. Okay, students, please don't leave the homeworks and all. Okay, it will be a burden for you only. Okay, so everyone please open the page number 73. In the page number 73, question number 2. Word problems. Which of the numbers among 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10 divide 8,93,205? You have to find among these 7 numbers which numbers can be divided, which numbers can divide this given number. So these two questions, question number 2, word problem, you have to solve it in your horizontal notebook. Okay. Then please open page number workbook. Everyone please take your workbook. In that page number 17. Okay. In the page number 17, page number 59. Open page number 59. Question number 17. Rohit has 2,503 marbles. He wants to divide them in groups of 3 and 6 exactly. Check if he can do so. See, you have to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or 6. You know the rules, right? How to check? You have to check that. 18th question. Rupees 7,893 is distributed equally among 9 people. Check if any amount is left over. Yes, you divide first that. When you divide that, you have to check what remainder you will get. If you get a remainder other than 0, that means that amount is left. Okay, division you have to do. 19th question. Keshava has 3,125 plants. He planted them in rows. Each row with 25 plants. How many rows were there? Also check for the correctness of division. Yes, you do division first and then find out how many rows were there, means remainder. You have to check whether the remainder will come, remainder will be 0, sorry, remainder will be other number than 0. And you have to check the correctness. You all know the equation, right? For correctness, what is the equation? Tell me. Quotient. Yes, tell me students, so what is the equation for correctness? Yes, the equation for correctness is quotient into divisor plus remainder equals dividend. You have to write the quotient, divisor and dividend and find the correctness. Then 20th question. See, 20th question, Bala shares 522 chocolates with his friend. He gives 2, 3, 4, 5 or 10 chocolates to each friend. In how many different ways can he distribute chocolate equally among his friends so that no chocolate remains? You have to divide all 522 by all the numbers, given numbers, that is 5 numbers, and check. So remaining how many, after dividing equally, by dividing by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10, how much you will get remain? You have to check. Okay. Then 21st question. 3,826 chocolates are distributed equally among 4 friends. Will there be any chocolates left undistributed? Find out actual division. So you have to divide the given number by 4. In a library there are 52,623 books. How many books are there in each row? If they are arranged into 2, 5, 6, 9 and 10 rows, will some books be left over in each arrangement? Yes, tell me students, it will remain now. You have to check that. Okay. You have to check the divisibility, in which number it is divisible. Okay students? Yes, if you have any doubt while solving this, you can call me. Okay. So today's homework is from 17 to 22. That means how many questions? only 5 questions I have given homework and 1 question in textbook. Okay, enough now. Enough. So I will meet you in the next class with different topic. Until then, take care, students.